Single acting cylinder versus double acting cylinder. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a single acting cylinder and a double acting cylinder? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the single acting cylinder. A single acting cylinder has only one hydraulic port. Hydraulic pressure is applied to one side of the piston, causing it to move in one direction. The piston returns to its original position using a spring, gravity, or an external force. Because of its simple design, single-acting cylinders are less expensive and require less hydraulic oil. Common applications include hydraulic jacks, clamping devices, tipping mechanisms. Now let's look at the double-acting cylinder. A double-acting cylinder has two hydraulic ports. Hydraulic oil can be supplied to either side of the piston, allowing it to extend and retract under hydraulic power. This provides better control, higher efficiency, and force in both directions. Common applications include excavators, hydraulic presses, construction equipment, industrial automation systems. So, what's the main difference? Point single-acting cylinder, one port, power in one direction, return by spring or external force. Point double-acting cylinder, two ports, power in both directions, better control and productivity. That's why double-acting cylinders are widely used in modern hydraulic machinery. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hydraulic and maintenance engineering content.